What is up, YouTube? It's me, Narcy, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been like a minute since I posted. I think it's been around like 2 months already. Last video I posted, I think it was my Shein haul. Yeah, I have worn majority of those outfits already, and I am completely in love. I can't wait to do my next order of Shein. I'm gonna buy like a whole bunch of stuff here. As you guys can see from the title, I ordered another wig. This box already, it's different from the original box. So this is the box for my new wig, and then this is the box that I usually get. So already the packaging is different. So this is the new, and then the bottom is the old. So without further ado, let's get to this video.
You just gotta feel me. I swear they gotta feel me. Yeah.
So as I've mentioned, the box is already different. So that's already the first thing that I see. This is like the fifth wig I get from Luv Me Hair. Honestly, right now it's my favorite website to get hair from. So Luv Me Hair, affordable and luxury wigs. As always, they have the enjoy your hair journey from now on. Yeah. So of course, the wig. I got I actually forgot what this is called, but I'm going to put everything in the description, and also the picture of the wig is going to be right there. Don't mind my ghetto background. I wanted to cover all my coats or whatever, but you know, I keep it real raw, real, whatever. Okay, so this is new as well. This little baggie. I've never gotten this before. Another gift card that makes $10 in gift cards. Honestly, I used a lot of my points to get this wig, so I really didn't pay that much. Got the pamphlet. And ooh, that's different. And they gave me 2 combs. That's cool. Okay, so let's see what's in this little baggie here. First of all, I'm just gonna show you guys the wigs. I'm gonna just show you the wig so I can get this over with and I can put it back where it belongs. So yeah, apparently this wig is glueless, but apparently this wig is glueless. It's like an orangey color. I'm taking chances this year. See, it's already pre-plucked. So I feel like once I style this wig and you know, I do what I gotta do with it, then it's going to look okay. I'm kind of scared to try it on, but man, listen. Like I said, I'm taking chances this year. I was scared to try this bob. Like, honestly, like, this is one of the wigs that I got for free off Luv Me Hair. I haven't worn bangs in a long time, so that's probably why I was scared. And because this is like the shortest wig I have ever purchased. My real hair is actually a little more longer than this wig. So yeah, it's been a minute since I had my little bangs and stuff, but once I put this wig on for the first time, I fell in love. If y'all hear my mom and my aunt, ooh! Oh! Y'all, they gave me some lashes. MG. gave me some lashes, y'all. Ooh. Of course, I'm a klutz that drops it. Y'all, look at these lashes. Next time I order from y'all, I'll like another one of these lashes. Oh my god, okay, a little scrunchie. Okay. What's this? Nails? Nails? Are these supposed to be nails? Oh man, they different. Ooh, a little bracelet. Luv Me Hair. Okay. And what's this? Last but not least, I think this is a magnet. Y'all, this is so pretty. Either this is a magnet or I don't know. But anyways, at Luv Me Hair, thank you for these gifts. I don't know if I'm gonna use these little press on nails. I don't know what this is for, but honestly, Luv Me Hair never disappoints. Like never ever. This new packaging is cute. The gifts, amazing. I love them. Y'all never fail to amaze me. Y'all, like never ever. Every time I order from Luv Me Hair, I'm amazed. Like I really am amazed. So yeah, this is her new wig, you guys. I cannot wait to try this on. Like I said, I'm taking chances. I'm gonna keep saying this throughout the whole video. I'm taking chances, y'all. I'm taking chances. Anywho. Ooh. Speaking of wigs, I was on Facebook and I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of getting annoyed because I have this girl on Facebook and her wigs are like, you can find a whole bunch of wigs that are affordable and are human hair. Like, why are we still going outside with synthetic wigs?
That is so early 2014, you stupid fucking dinosaur! Get the fuck out of here!
I'm not gonna lie, there's some synthetic wigs that do look really good and they are affordable. I think you could get them like in beauty supplies, but I have seen them on TikTok and listen, there are some really good synthetic wigs. But please, y'all, don't be getting these synthetic wigs that are all nappy and knotted and you can tell it's synthetic. The synthetic wigs I have seen on TikTok, they do look like human hair. So if you are on a budget but you still want to look good, and you can get the good synthetic wigs that can last you for like a week or so. But please, y'all, stop with the nappy hair because it pisses me off. It gets me tight. Makes me upset. So I was told to drop a few gems and let y'all know a few websites where I get my wigs from. They're all good wigs. I'm gonna be posting pictures of the wigs and well, I'm not gonna be putting a bunch of pictures, but I will be showing examples of the wigs that I did get from those websites. But I'm gonna tell you guys my top 5 hair companies to get hair from. So the first one is Luv Me Hair, of course. I have done 3 reviews. I think I did like 3 reviews of Luv Me Hair. You guys seen that the hair is human, it's affordable. I'm always letting you guys know, like, there's buy one get one free deals. Like, this current wig that I just bought, I literally got a good $70 off this wig. Got $50 off plus a $10 gift card plus points that I was able to use. All that together, I saved a whole lot of money. Plus it was free shipping. Today is Friday, and I ordered this wig I think on Monday, on Tuesday.
Boy, if you don't...
I ordered this wig on Monday or Tuesday, and it just got here today, which is Friday. So Luv Me Hair, recommend. The second one is Tinashe Hair. Guys, I did a review for Tinashe Hair as well. And listen, before I found out about Luv Me Hair, Tinashe Hair was the only place that I was getting hair from. I got my blonde bob from Tinashe Hair. I've gotten some headband wigs from Tinashe Hair. I've gotten some curly wigs, some straight wigs from Tinashe Hair. Actually, the hair that I've worn for my 22nd birthday, that hair was from Tinashe Hair. I love me some Tinashe Hair. I have about 4 or 5 wigs from there, and they never disappoint. Literally, I can restore all these wigs that I have because they are human hair. I can color them, wash them, put product in it, and it would be perfectly fine. Third one, so number 3, don't got my nails. I don't even know why I'm showing off my nails. Like, my nails aren't even done. I just took off my last set of nails, which makes me sad because I feel completely naked without my nails. But anyway, the third one is Ali Pearl. I personally never ordered from Ali Pearl, but I know for a fact it's very affordable hair. You can even get it on Amazon, I believe. It's human hair. It's very affordable. And I know friends of mine that have gotten hair from Ali Pearl. As a matter of fact, I will be the judge of that. I will try to order a wig from Ali Pearl to see if I like anything from the website and order it. And I'll do my own review on Ali Pearl. But the way I see it, Ali Pearl is a very, very good affordable hair. It's good affordable hair. I have friends that personally get their hair from Ali Pearl. When I was, in my teenage days and I just started wearing wigs, I actually used to get like a whole bunch of synthetic wigs. But that was like back in like high school when I first started wearing wigs. And when I went to cosmetology school, my friends recommended Ali Pearl to me, and I know that is good because they wore it themselves and the hair was really, really nice on them. So Ali Pearl, I'm gonna recommend it because I know it's affordable and I know it's good human hair. Fifth one, number 4, is Nadula. The first lace wig I've ever gotten was from Nadula. Nadula was the first website I've ever ordered a wig from. I'm not gonna lie, when I first ordered from Nadula Hair, I was kind of iffy about it because it's like, okay, this is an online store. I don't really shop online. This is when I was not shopping online like that. But I felt like I was taking a risk. But turns out Nadula Hair was really, really good. The first wig install I got was with Nadula Hair. And as y'all can see, it was bomb. It was bomb, y'all. Shout out to Belkis. She was the first one to ever install a wig on this head of mine. And from there, I fell in love with wigs. Last but not least, I want to mention a good friend of mine. Right now, she's an internet friend because we haven't met in person yet. But shout out to Got A New Hair Empress. You guys can follow her on Instagram, Got A New Hair Empress. She sells bundles. She sells wigs. Listen, y'all, she's doing the dang thing. Her hair is very good quality. And you guys can get hair from her. This is her page. Make sure you guys shop. If you're located in Houston, Texas, then Got A New Hair Empress. Great hair. When I go down to Houston and I link up with my sis, I'm gonna make sure I order some bundles from her. So yeah, those are my top 5 good hair, affordable, and you just gonna be looking like a baddie, y'all. Y'all gonna be looking like a baddie. Honestly, I'm all about dropping the gems. I'm not one of those girls that I'm gonna act like, oh, where I get my hair from or where I get my clothes from, it's the Krabby Patty formula. No. If you want to know where I get certain things from, I'm gonna let you know. Like, I'm gonna drop them gems because, no shade, but some of y'all girls be acting like where y'all get hair from and stuff, it's the Krabby Patty formula.
Child. Anyway, so
it's about time to end this video, but guys, thank you for watching my videos. To my new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and if you already subscribed to me, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to end this right here. Don't forget to purchase your YouTube art, your flyers, your business cards, business flyers, etc. from me and .j graphics on Instagram. It'll be right there. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next video.